Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection. It's a Choro Q steer. Uh, a little bit bigger than the standard Choro Q. The size of this guys is like a Targa. Okay? But they're also small guys. Just like the standard Choro Q, a little bit bigger. Maybe 1 to 3 millimeter. Anyway guys, I have this one. It's a Mario Brothers. This is King Koopa and Mario itself guys. So it's a remote controlled. It's like an RC guys. The charger is this one. You can flip it. Then and then you put Mario here guys. Just like that. And it will charge maybe 1 to 2 minutes guys. Then you can play it at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so this is Mario and this is King Koopa, and this one guys is what they call this Coop Remocon C, and then this one is Remocon A, also Coop. I bought this guys untested in a surplus shop, so maybe I have this for a bit 8 months. So this one guys is Remocon B ABC. It's Coop also. And this one is my Lamborghini again guys. Lamborghini Countach LP400 Remocon B. Okay. This is all have batteries, rechargeable batteries guys, but I did not test it yet. So hopefully when I test it, it will run guys. I hope the batteries on these cars are not expired yet. Okay. Again guys, this is a Choro Q standard size. Q steer, remote controlled mini RC guys. Mario Brothers, this is Mario, King Koopa, Remocon A, Remocon B, Remocon C, and a Lamborghini Countach LP400. Thank you guys. Hope you like my videos. Bye.